Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe, like, comment, just do something with your time while you're here, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our tiny, itty bitty, small bit of time together. Today, I'm finally back on the YouTubes. It's been a hot minute. Life is life, and life has been life, and so yeah. But we played with the Nomad Ghost Town palette, which looks like this. I ended up creating this fun look. Also, I got some new hair. So if you would like to see how I got this like almost like ethereal fairy-esque type of look with such a dark type palette, then let's get into this. Hi friends, I am back. Finally, hopefully we'll see. I do have a very busy month ahead of me. Life is draining. It is what it is. For a drink today, we have Propel strawberry lemonade flavor because it's wonderful. And we are finally playing with the Nomad Ghost Town palette. Also, I have new hair and it's better than yesterday. Story behind it is that we were trying to get rid of the black. This like coppery tone in the middle here showed up and like this, and instead of being like let's just try to get rid of it and go blonde how I want it, I was like fuck it, let's just go coppery ginger. And so we dyed up here and we ended up with this masterpiece right here, and I'm really happy with it. But again, like I said, we are playing with the Ghost Town USA palette. Let's get into this, see if I remember how to do any of this. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links, they're just links. And as always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N and set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I also just put a little bit of this Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in vanilla on my lips, just, you know. Also, just a huge thank you to all the people that have stuck around, all the new people, because one of my last videos got a lot of views, so hi, hello everybody. I love that after I get a lot of people coming to my channel, I just dip out. But again, just thank you to everybody that, you know, has stayed around. So I think I'm going to start with a little bit of this shade right here called Ghost Town in the crease area. I'm going to take that on a rougher 14. Just starting out here, bringing it this side. I want to put this up a little bit higher as I want to use a lot of the other greens in here, just to kind of give the vibe of my shirt, the cottage core hair that I have going on, all of that. I do sort of want to keep this on like the sort of light and dainty-ish side, I guess. Not that that's like my new era. I mean, we obviously all know I'm a color lover, but come on. I think I'm going to go in with this Stagecoach Mary shade right here. Again, still on that rougher 14. Just taking it a tad bit lower than that Ghost Town shade. Still in the crease area and just blending it out. This is just to give it some depth. I threw a football like constantly for like a good solid like 15 minutes yesterday, and I'm feeling it in my shoulder, so like blending right now is really difficult. But I'm gonna go in with this Skinner's Saloon shade right here, taking that on my Unearthly UC87 from their mystery box collection, like their Valentine's Day one. I'm popping that right below the crease a little, just out here. Also, if you can hear the wind, it is what it is. It is currently freaking, I don't know, 20 plus miles per hour wind. But it's sunny, so we deal. We deal. But I'm just dragging that up into the crease a little, just kind of all over, making sure I blend it out. And I think just because I'm kind of losing that shade right now, I'm going to go back in with that Ghost Town shade with this same unearthly brush. And just bring it back up here. I think that looks really cool. I'm kind of going with the vibe of my shirt here. So I'm thinking we go into maybe some of the glitters now, but I think I might put a little bit of this Undead Sheriff shade right here still on that unearthly because I'm too lazy to find another brush, and just bring it right in here. Okay, so we're just going to deal with the clouds. It's darker, but I sort of just blended that Undead Sheriff and Skinner's Saloon shade together right in this area. You know? Pretty much just doing whatever the hell I feel like doing, which is what I do all the time anyways. I'm thinking we go into some of these shimmers here. I'm kind of thinking Tombstone or Violet Nevada here, or maybe this Ghost Train. I think we might go in with just a tiny bit of this Ghost Train shade, taking that on my Refer 21, sort of plopping it into this area, kind of just applying it with the brush and then mushing it out with my finger. I'm thinking we go in with a little bit, I think we'll go in with the Violet Nevada shade here. Just, I don't know, I'm feeling it just a tad bit more than the Tombstone. So I'm going to take that shade on my Refro 3 and just plop it here in the inner corner. I really like how that's looking. But I'm just taking it and extending it all the way up in here. Also, just an FYI, if you're going to be sticking around for summer, I'm going to be so mother effing busy this summer. You have no idea. So, we will see what content ends up getting put out because I'm not ready. But I'm kind of feeling this Garnet Montana shade right here. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of that on my Refer 21 again. Not a lot. Just kind of putting it between those two. And blending with my finger. I really like that. I'm going to just pop in your face for a little close up here. I really like how that looks. And then we're gonna go put foundation, all that stuff on, because I'm not necessarily feeling like an under eye right now. So I'm gonna go do my face. We'll come back for blush, highlight, lip, you know the drill. I'll be back. Okay, we're sort of back, sort of. I think I'm gonna go in maybe with just a teeny tiny itty bitty bit of this Undead Sheriff shade on the under eye, just real quickish, just so then there's something, okay? Also, this lash is just not cooperating today, so we're living. Okay, okay. We're gonna go in with this quick silver shade right here in the inner corner over whatever shade I ended up putting in there and like down in here. Me trying to do subtle never works. Like, ever. Never, ever, ever. Just ever. It's never gonna work. I like that. I like that a lot. For blush, I'm obviously gonna go in with the Juicy Cheeks palette. I don't necessarily know. I think we, like, it's between Raw and Plump here. I think we might go in with Raw. There's a little sun right here. Bring a little color to this really ghosty pasty face. I think this is the best hair color on me that I've had in a very, very hot minute. Like, my goodness gracious. And then a little on the nose. And then I usually go over that with my foundation brush to just kind of like press it in. Make it part of everything. It just ends up looking like seamless. Like, look at this. Okay, obviously we're gonna be going in with the Not to Loosen palette for highlight. I'm thinking the Apparition shade right here, the blue one, because we just put that blue in the inner corner. And then maybe taking a little bit of Phenomena, because that's the pink, possibly, and maybe a bit of Transient, which is the blue, green. So here's the blue. Yep. I'll take a little bit of Transient, which is the green. And then we'll take a little bit of Phenomena, which is the pink. Yep. And like I did with the blush, I'm just going to stamp the highlighter in. Again, seamlessness, perfectness, all that good stuff. I think I need a brow highlight. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that Violet Nevada shade. Taking that on my Refer 13. No, that's a little bit dark. I think I'm gonna go in with the Tombstone, which is like a gold up in here. Just for some shine. I'm really liking how this looks. I think for lip, I'm going to just go in with this Beauty Bay Jelly Lip Oil in Coconut. I'm really liking how my lip color, like my normal lip color, looks with this. Just a little bit of shine. I think this looks so freaking pretty. Let me take these out. Like, look at this. Look. It's so freaking pretty. Do not look at my lash, okay? She's surviving. She's by not a lot, but she's surviving. But my God, I look hot. I look hot. I love how this just all looks together, and I think I just keep staring at my hair. This hair is my best hair ever that I've ever had. But this palette, I absolutely adore it so far. I think it is so pretty. It's so fun. I need to like dip into the darker shades here at some point. But for right now, I'm really loving from what I've used. I really want to use this Calico California shade at some point. And maybe do it with like these pinks here. I think that would be really pretty. But like I said, so far I really am liking that palette, and I really like how like beautiful and gorgeous and almost like fairy-like this look came out. I think that proves that you can do something very light and dainty with a more darker-esque type palette. But if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. Don't be all those things. There's lots of things that you know, it takes a lot more time and energy to be a piece of shit than to just ignore the things that you do not like, ignore the things that you do not understand. Just do better things with your time. Remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting in the, a good amount of water, some food, some self-care days, all that good stuff. Just remember to be taking care of you, because you matter. Stop being such a people pleaser, okay? People aren't going to do back to you what you do to them. So remember to be taking care of yourself, and remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going on, so make sure that you're taking in the right stuff, the right information, all that good stuff. But again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.